What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. In this video I am going to be unboxing my new Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. These new wireless earphones will serve as an addition to my Samsung ecosystem, which should help me complete my day-to-day tasks and when I'm running around in errands, just keeping me away from my phone. And without further ado, an unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus and intro. Alright, so here it is, the new Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. This is the successor to the previous Buds that came out in the first quarter of 2019, I think. And for comparison, here is the original Buds that I've had since then. Alright, putting them next together, side by side, there's not much difference. The only difference is that this one has the plus, this one doesn't, but everything else fits the same size box, same size everything. And now let us get into unboxing this Galaxy Buds Plus. There you go. These are the things that comes in the box. So we got the quick start guide, we got the charging case with the earbuds on the inside, the type A to type C charging cable, wingtips and ear tips as well to make it fit better on your ears. So again, the plugs themselves are glossy in finish, especially on touchpads on both of them. Charging battery indicator or charging case battery indicator on the top, left, right, and on the outside it is a fingerprint magnet. As you can see, it's already getting some fingerprints, Samsung logo, and sound by AKG. Type C cable, charging port at the back, and some standardizations on the bottom there. So physically, nothing much has changed from the old ones. This is the Buds. This is the Buds Plus. Matte finish on the old predecessor. Glossy finish on the new Buds Plus. But everything else, physically wise, both on the charging case and in the earbuds themselves, are the same. So let me just show you that here. There you go. So Buds Plus, Buds. As you can see, physically they are the same. However, internally they are not. So there are a few upgrades from the Buds to this new Buds Plus. First of all is the battery life and the battery capacity. The earphones, this now has 85 milliamp hour battery, while the charging case has a 270 milliamp hour battery. With that kind of upgrade, we have an 11-hour use on the earbuds themselves and 22 hours of use with the charging case on a full charge. So that will surely last anyone most of the day. And another upgrade are the speakers and the mics. The Buds Plus now has a two-way dynamic speakers, a woofer and a tweeter. I don't know how they fit that inside in there, but and three mics, two outer mics and one inner mic. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but there's that dot. Where is it? There you go. There's that tiny little dot on this Buds Plus. But there you go. Three mics, two on the outer and one on the inner microphone, and two-way dynamic speakers, a woofer and a tweeter. Now, aside from the physical upgrades, there are some tweaks on the software and UI on the Galaxy Wear app, which I'll go through soon. But first, let me tell you the first impressions on these. I really like them. I'm not sure about how the gloss finish is, but I could live with it. It's not something. It's not a big a deal. I could always, what do you call this? Live with it and whatnot, and just keep it in my pocket anyway. So there's not a big deal on the finish themselves being glossy. And since it is physically the same, I'm assuming that I haven't really worn this yet. As you can see, we just unboxed this, and I'm assuming it's just going to be the same feel on the earbuds themselves when I put them on. And I know there's going to be a few upgrades on the software or user interface in this when we do that. So let's move on to setting this up with my Galaxy S20 Plus. Alright, so now that we have that earbuds unboxed, here we are for the setup of the new Buds Plus. So before we do that, let's open it and having it set up. So let's set this up and turn on the Bluetooth, and this should be detecting it right away here. There you go, Buds Plus and pairing. Bluetooth pairing request, pair with Buds Plus 538F. Yes, okay. Alright, there you go. That is quite fast, 25, 30, 40, 50. So setting up your phone with the Buds Plus is quite quick on this one. 100% setting up your phone. Congrats on your new Galaxy Buds Plus. Click OK. Continue. Link Galaxy Buds Plus. Yes. Stay in touch with your surroundings. So now we go through a few setups here and basically tips and tricks on how to use the Buds Plus. Stay in touch with your surroundings, ambient sounds, start Spotify from your earbuds. So this one is also, oh, this is a new feature. So this is one of those new features that you could just start Spotify from the Buds Plus. And we are all set. So user interface is quite new on this one. There are a lot of new features here. First of all is the ambient sound, if I want it on or off. So what this does is when I am walking around and let's say I'm in downtown, there's construction sites in there or there's traffic and whatnot, I want to be able to hear that. So while I have these two in my ears, I can have that option of having the ambient sound come into the buds and make me aware of my surroundings, which is quite important. So I will turn that on. And let's say I'm having a conversation with someone, I don't need to take them off anymore or whatnot unless I really want to hear them, and if they have something very important to say, then I can turn these on and have it medium or low. And if I really want to hear that, make it mic clear, keep the mic clear. In some case, high or extra high volume can cause a high pitch feedback. That's okay, but hearing the ambient sounds will be beneficial for me. Now that's quite important when you are walking around or commuting or there's traffic around you or there's people or construction sites or wherever you're going. It is always important to be aware of your surroundings, and this feature helps with that. Now the equalizer. Now there is a few things new here. On the old buds, they only had a few options, but this normal now is an option. Not sure what that is, but I guess everything from bass to treble and all the mid tones in between are on a normal setting. So you got boost, you got soft, dynamic, clear, and treble boost. So I'll keep that for now in normal because I haven't used this yet. I want to see what settings I am comfortable with and what sounds best for me. Alright, and touch control. Let's go through this. Playback or pause, just one touch on the pad itself. Double tap is when you're playing a music on your earbuds and you want a next track or answer or end a call. Double tap on the touchpad. Triple tap is going through a previous track, so it's much more useful when you are playing music. And touch and hold, so this is the one that's customizable, or you could decline a call with this one. So both of these are now set for Bixby, but I will have to change that soon. Let's see the options in this. So it's either I have the ambient sound, volume down, or Spotify. We'll see. I'll have to double check that one, but those are the features that are included on the touch and hold control. And read notifications allowed. So when you are wearing this and there's a new notification on your phone, it will read a brief preview of your notification. Advanced features: use ambient sound surrounding calls, use ambient sound during calls. So this is quite important as well. Depends on the user on what they're comfortable with. If they want to hear the conversation purely, then you can turn the ambient sound during the calls, or if you are walking and whatnot, again, being aware of your surroundings is also important. So for now, I'll leave that. Labs, this is a new feature. So double tap earbud edge. So when this one is turned on, you can either turn the volume down or the edge of the right earbud to turn the volume up. And extra high ambient volume, you could again enhance that ambient surroundings again. And gaming mode, basically this one just gets rid of lag between the communication of the cell phone and the earbuds or the other device that you're connected to with your earbuds. And general reset, software update, let's do that. Alright, let's install that now. Alright, so for now we are going through the update, and I'll be back when this one's done. Alright, so we are updated, tips and user manual, and about the earbuds. So this is a new interface, get to know, let's go. Again, touch controls, ambient sounds, charging with your phone. This is the reverse charging feature on the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus or their S10 and S20 lines. And what else? The case battery level, so red for 30, yellow for less than 30, yellow between 30 to 60, 60 above on green. That's the indicator at the front. Alright, so this is the end of the video. This has been the unboxing, first impression, and setup of the new Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. The only difference that you could tell these two apart, being the Buds Plus and the Buds, is the matte finish on the Buds, glossy finish on the Buds Plus. Design, size, and shape, all the same. That continues as well on the earphones themselves, small form factor, design itself, but the only difference is the glossy finish as well. Weight maybe a little bit because of the improved battery life, but aside from that, everything kept the same. Internals, however, have been very much improved, from a two-way dynamic speaker on a woofer and tweeter, 3 new microphones, 2 outer microphone and 1 inner microphone, better calls and whatnot. And the user interface has been improved, a few more features on the ambient sound. But aside from that, everything is just the same. I don't mind a gloss finish. A few more color options, I guess, on the Galaxy Buds Plus, being white, blue, black, red, pink, and deep blue. So a lot more color choices. However, I chose the black finish because, number one, I don't have any other choice. This is part of a promo when I got my new phone, the S20 Plus, and it ties very well with my new phone. Black, black. There you go. What more do you want me to say? Anyway, so if you guys like the video, if you learned anything from my videos, please do hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that bell icon for new video notification. This has been fun, and this has been the unboxing, first impression, and setup of the new Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. Alright, that's it. See ya!